500 US dollars per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing. So as you watch this video right now, I'm going to review to you exactly how you can make 500 US dollars per day in net profit with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Okay, so as you watch this video, you can see I'm here in Switzerland in the Alps. You can see over here behind me the swimming pool over here, right? So the only reason that I'm sharing this with you is because I want to show you exactly what is possible once you take affiliate marketing seriously, once you understand what it takes to get traffic, eyeballs on your landing page, on your ClickFunnels pre-sale page to start generating huge results. Alright, my friend, so the first thing you need is the offer that's paying at least 50 to 250 US dollars. Now, why this is important is because you see, my friend, when you buy a product, right, which is like $50 per sale, you're getting around 90 to 100% affiliate commissions on Clickbank. Now I'm giving you extra commissions because I have connections and network with lots of different gurus and, let's say, offer owners on Clickbank and MaxWeb, so you can get these connections and higher upsells commission rates, right? So let's say you have only 2 sales per day. 2 sales per day for $100. It means you're earning around how much? 100 and let's say 90 US dollars per day in net profit. That means over 6,000 US dollars per month. Now what you have to keep in mind is, my friend, as you watch this video, you can use Facebook ads or Google ads. Now with Google ads, you have people who have buyers intent, right? They are buyers. Some people, some gurus on Clickbank sell you BS bullshit idea that you can make money from every click. No, it's not true. It's a lie. It's a big fat lie. The only thing you need to understand is you need buyer's intent. There are some people who only clicks because it's a weird, ugly ass image and they want to see what's on the other page. And then, my friend, you have curiosity clicks, right? They're curious to know what is on the other page, but they don't buy. And again, it's not your fault because you didn't know how to set up properly strategy of ads, right? How ads on Facebook are different from ads on YouTube, on Google. Every ad is different. Every ad copy is different, my friend. From Google to YouTube to Facebook. Facebook and Instagram are social media, right? Social ads. YouTube, again, is different entertainment platform. Google is buyer's intent. That's why I like to teach my students exactly how to position them. That's why you see my students earning 10 or 50,000 euros per month or dollars per month, because they understand exactly how to position low emotional states with high emotional states audiences and how to properly maximize buyers intent audiences, right? So maybe you don't understand exactly how to do this. That's okay, because if you already knew how to make 10,000 or 30,000 euros per month on Clickbank with affiliate marketing using paid traffic, paid advertising, you would have already done it, but you don't know. And the reason you don't know is because you tried all other stuff. You bought courses, you tried everything, but it didn't work out. And the only reason it didn't work out is because you didn't have someone who can personally help you one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you along the way, so you can have stress-free life, stress-free business online without having to worry about getting your ad account shut down tomorrow, right? So as you watch this video, what I want to do is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can connect with me one-on-one after watching this video, and then maybe you can reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or my private email. We can connect together, okay? And then we can get something started, so you can have a great lifestyle, as you can see over here behind me. And Alps in Europe, traveling free, stress-free life all around the world. I'm showing you not to brag, but to show from my heart what is possible once you take affiliate marketing seriously.